Hi everyone, I'm Jocelyn, and today we're diving into the world of WordPress media management. If you've ever struggled with organizing your site's images, videos, or other media files, this tutorial is for you. Let's start with the basics. Your WordPress media library is the central hub for all your site's media files. It's where you upload, store, and access everything from images to documents. But as your site grows, so does your media collection, and that's where things can get messy. Here are some key strategies to keep your media organized and your site running smoothly. 1. Use folders and categories. Plugins like FileBird or CatFolders can help you create a structured system for your files. 2. Implement tags. While not a native WordPress feature, many plugins allow you to tag media files, making them easier to find later. 3. Optimize your images. Use tools like Smush to compress your images without losing quality. This keeps your site loading fast. 4. Utilize lazy loading. This technique only loads images as they're about to enter the viewer's screen, speeding up initial page load times. 5. Bulk edit and delete. Use plugins like admin columns to manage multiple files at once, saving you tons of time. 6. Replace media efficiently. The Enable Media Replace plugin lets you update files across your entire site in one go. 7. Clean up unused media. Regularly remove files you're not using to keep your library lean and mean. For those looking to take their media management to the next level, consider adding custom metadata to your files. This allows for even more precise organization and searching. Remember, a well-organized media library not only makes your job easier, but also contributes to a faster, more efficient website. So take some time to implement these strategies. Your future self and your site visitors will thank you. That's it for today, WordPressers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.